Cut your yard chores down to size with the gas-free, hassle-free convenience of SWJ 699E 14-inch 9-amp electric chainsaw from Sunjoe. Combining the power of a gas machine with the performance of an electric, SWJ 699E cuts straight through your trimming to-do list. Just plug it in, squeeze the trigger, and watch the powerful 9-amp motor and 14-inch cutting bar and chain slice easily through brush, branches, logs, and limbs up to 13.5 inches thick. Lightweight and easy to maneuver at less than 8 pounds, Sunjoe weighs half as much as comparable gas models, and without all the fuss, fumes, and finicky starters or costly seasonal tune-ups. SWJ 699E's onboard auto oiler keeps the bar and chain fully lubricated for continuous cutting when you're really in the thick of things, and the integrated oil level indicator lets you know when it's time for a refill. Plus, with user-friendly safety features like the built-in handguard, dual-handed non-slip grip, kickback brake, and onboard safety switch to prevent accidental starting, you can chop your cutting chores in half, knowing you'll be safe and secure every time. And for even more peace of mind, every eco-friendly Sunjoe chainsaw comes backed by a complete 2-year warranty. So if you see it, saw it, and go with Joe. The SWJ 699E 14-inch 9-amp electric chainsaw from Sunjoe. Get equipped.